How to create a website for your business in 2021 for free. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your website for your business and start selling your products or your merchandise for free in 2021. So let's get into it. Now, there are two ways that I'm going to suggest you create your website, either by using Ecwid or by using BigCartel. Both of these are very good platforms, but BigCartel has a very large limitation that you can only have 5 products on their free version, and then you're going to upgrade or have to pay for their premium plans, and then you can add more products. Whereas Ecwid's limit is far higher and you can add over 10 products even on their free version. So I already have a detailed video on how to create a website using BigCartel, and I'll leave that in the description box down below, but we're going to get started on Ecwid. Now this is the Ecwid homepage, and we're just going to click on get started for free. And you can see I've been logged into my Ecwid account, but I'm going to log out just to show you guys how you can create a new account. Now you can create your account with your Google account, your Apple account, or your Facebook account, or you can just add your name, email, and password over here and set up your store. Now I'm going to set up a new store. Let's change up the store a bit this time. Now you can see once you have entered your email, name, and password, you're going to answer some of their questions and you're going to select your store name. So if we were to make a new store, so let's just say we're going to make a scrunchie store. Scrunchies by Sarah. Then you're going to add the currency you're going to be dealing in. So we're going to add our currency and click on next. After that, you're going to have to enter your zip address and your city and some other personal details. And once I do that, I'll get back to you guys in a second. Now, after that, you're going to have a little bit of a questionnaire about if you're selling online for the first time. And we're going to select what category we are selling in. So we're going to sell in accessories. If we can find that over here. Now, once you have answered all of these questions, you're going to be able to start setting up your website. Now, first off, you can choose where to sell, and you can set up your e-commerce website on Facebook, Instagram, and all those other platforms as well. But I would suggest that you actually use the free Ecwid website builder and develop your own website to sell your products. Now, over here, you can see after you have created your account, they're going to give you a get started list, and you are just going to scroll down and you can see your reports, blogs, and recommendations over here. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new site. So from your dashboard on the left, you can see all of these different options. Now you have sales, you have catalogs, marketing, you have your reporting, you have your overview, your website, your Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, mobile, your other channels. Then you have design, payment, shipping, settings, application integrations, and your general profile settings. We are going to click over here at our website and we're going to click on edit site. And this will open the site editor. Now you can see this is just a template website that Ecwid is going to upload for you, and you're going to start customizing it. So this is the header section, and then we are going to change the site name to Scrunchies by Sarah. And you can select your logo type. If you have a logo for your brand, you can add that over here as well. Now we're going to go on back and we're going to change up the navigation menu. Add menu and add a sale option, and then we're going to go on back. After that, we are going to go back and we are going to change the sizing and the general look of the font over in the design section. So if you want to change the content, you're going to change the content over here. If you want to change the text, so if you want to change from home to maybe contact us or anything like that, you're going to select that in content. And if you want to change the color scheme or look of the website, you're going to click on design, and then you're going to start customizing that as well. So you can have a solid color as your background. Let's add some pink to our website, because you guys already know by now that I really like pink. So I want this to be like a light pink and pastel kind of website look. Let's make it a gradient, because I think my pink has gone a bit dull now. Everyone has seen me do a lot of pinks. So let's do a pink to blue gradient, like so. Keep it a lighter tone, like so. Once I have set all of that, I am going to reduce the size of my logo because obviously it was not fitting. I think size 20 is pretty good. and I'm gonna make it bold and not italic. Then I can also change the color of my website logo from here, select it from any of the large color wheel. I think I should opt for black. It looks pretty nice in black. Now you can choose your capitalization and spacing. If you want it to be very spaced out, you can select that as well. And if you want a spaced out look, obviously you're going to have to reduce your font size. So you can make it look somewhat like this as well. And I do think this also looks pretty interesting. It looks pretty nice. You can also add a outline frame, so you can add a square box around your header over here, and you can make it as thick as you want. You can even change the color. Let's make it a white box. Let's reduce the size and spacing. And like this, you're going to customize and change up everything you like. We're going to go on back. We're going to change the cover photo. So you can see we're going to delete this image. Let's add like this, and then you're going to add whatever description you want. After that, you have your featured products list, and this is going to appear after your about information, and you want to make sure there's some of your hottest sellers just at your featured products list. And this is something you're going to leave, and you're not going to add or remove your products from over here. Just focus on the design element on the website developer. Once you're satisfied with your design, you're just going to click on save and publish. And we're going to go back onto our Ecwid control panel, and from your Ecwid control panel, you can see on the left you have your catalog, and within your catalog you have products. You're going to add and remove products from here and not your actual website editor. Now, to edit or add products, you can see these are just some sample products. We're going to select all of these, and I'm going to clear all of these. I'm going to disable all of these products so they are no longer going to appear on my website. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add new product. So once you click on new product, you will have this page open up where you can add your images for your product, your names, SKUs, weight, and descriptions. You can even add more attributes, options. You have a lot of different features over here where you can add different ribbon buttons. So you can see this buy now button can also be added in your add or edit ribbon. So you can add like on sale or free shipping, anything like that to your product over here as well. So let's add rainbow, and then we're going to add a ribbon. We're going to save this. We're going to change the pricing. I forgot about that. We're going to make it $12, and we're going to save this. Now, once you add your own products, you can enable them or disable them. So if there is a sale period and you don't want certain items to be available on your website during a sale, you can disable them from over here and they won't appear on your website whatsoever. Now, you can edit your products from here. You can edit your files and add more stuff over here as well once you have created your product, so you don't have to worry about while you're uploading products that you might mess up and then you won't be able to edit them. You can edit them anytime. We're going to add some more products just so you guys can get a good estimate of what everything is going to look like once you actually go to your website. Now, I've added two products. I've added blue and rainbow. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into my website. And first off, I'm going to change my site address. Now, Ecwid has provided me with this very odd subdomain, and I'm going to just find a better one. So I have Scrunchies by Sarah, and if this is available, I am going to opt for that. And this was available, so I have this new far better domain name for my website. And you can see this is our website. It's already live, and you can see the products that I have added. I added blue and rainbow, and they're over here. Obviously, I did not add any images, so it's empty, but this is how easy it is to create your website using Ecwid and start selling your product online. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to create your own website and start selling your product, and I will catch you guys in the next video.